Sell a patent. On the right hand side, these are testimonials. I listed my invention here back in 2012 and received several serious inquiries within the first few months. Glad to see the site making a comeback. All right, DL Independent Inventor. This site gave me a place to showcase my patented device when I had nowhere else to market it. It connected me to people I never would have reached on my own. Anonymous first time patent seller. I've used a few platforms over the years, but this one actually felt geared toward inventors, not just lawyers. The submission process was simple and fair. MR, inventor, and small business owner. And then we have a case study, a personal mission to help an unmanned airship find its buyer. This is how we found a buyer for an unmanned airship for a dear friend. You can be someone that benefits from this service. Soon after featuring the airship on Princetonwww, a serious buyer from Pennsylvania contacted us with a multi-million-dollar offer. At Princeton World Wide Web, our mission is to help inventors not only gain visibility, but also navigate the complex journey to monetization, because every invention deserves a chance to fulfill its potential. Right, let's go back up the page. Or you could use this link at the bottom. And add to cart. I already have one in here when I was testing it, so I could go with that. You can pay with PayPal or Venmo, or you could use just a different payment method. You enter your email address, your first and last name. If you're a company, you enter your company name. Otherwise, you keep going. Scroll down to your address. If you're an apartment number, just put apartment, whatever, suite, whatever, unit, whatever. But it's optional if you don't live in an apartment. All right, so town and city. And this is a drop down for the state. You could just scroll down to select your state. Just use this here to navigate. And if you live overseas, I'd be glad to help you to get your patent out to interested buyers. Just check this box on the right side Enter your credit card number, expiration, security code, your email address, and phone number related to your invention or phone number. And then you click place your order. Another way to place your order, well, I've showed you how to do it here, but you can also do this by clicking add a listing. And here you can add listings for all the services we offer. Patent pending, sell a trademark, license a trademark, sell a copyright, license a copyright, sell a trade name, create a trade name or product name, sell a patent, and you could click right on this one. So you buy a okay, so this one is asking you to sign in, but if you've never been here before, you can register with your email and click this box and sign up. If you want a quicker way, you do it the previous way. So just click back to the screen. So if you click add listing, you're gonna have to sign in or register. So the fastest way is click back again. Oops. Back to here, and how we got there is through here, directly from the website. You type in the Princetonwww.net, hit enter, and then once you're on the site, you just go here, patent information, sell a patent, and then that takes you to this page. And this right hand side here is the section that we use all the good stuff inventors have to say about our service. It's a case study. You could use this link to contact us if you have questions, or yeah, let's go there. Contact us. So this is the form. You enter your name. You just use your first name. Today's date. You just select, and then you just select one, and then subject. You can just put I need help marketing my patent, and then you say a few short details, or you could leave it blank, and then you click submit. Let's go back, or just go back to the seller patent. Okay, so this is the page we were on before with the testimonials in the vignette on the right hand side and the case study, a real life case study. All right. Frequently asked questions. Why list with us? Ready to list your patent? And we already went to that page. If you have questions, sell a patent, you add to cart, and I already clicked on it, so I have this already in there. So I'm just gonna click view cart. If you're doing this for the first time, you click on the add to cart. I already have it in the shopping cart. So you could use PayPal, Venmo, or other payment options. So click on proceed to check out. And then you enter your email address, first name, last name. If you're a company, you enter your company details. Otherwise, you move on to the next step. Country, region, United States. So I selected United States, but you can select pretty much any country in the world. All right. So let's go down the list. So I've already selected United States. So you enter your house number or street name, apartment if you live in an apartment, date, which you can select from here. Paste the details of your patent. That's a real patent number, just showing you how it would look. And then you would paste details by you hit enter and then just put details, and you can paste everything else in there. Going up to the right hand side, the credit card information shows that you're selling one patent, and the total, your card number, expiration, security code, your email, your mobile phone number. Ignore this. Just keep scrolling down. You select I have read and agreed to the website terms and conditions.